If you are on the lookout for the best H670 motherboard, in terms of value and features, the standout champion among all of these is the Asus TUF H670 Pro Wi-Fi D4. For around $180, it covers a lot of bases and would satisfy the needs of anyone looking to purchase a board for something like the Intel Core i7-12700. The Asus TUF series boards come with strong VRMs, and the Asus TUF H670, with its 14+1 phase VRM configuration, is no exception. This motherboard will have no issue running even a Core i9-13900K at stock speeds. Moving on to the rear I/O, this board has 7 USB ports. All of these ports are running at USB 3.2 Gen 1 speeds or faster, and one of these is a USB Type-C, running at a blazing fast USB 3.2 Gen 2 x2. We also get a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, along with a complete array of audio jacks, including an optical SPDIF port. Lastly, in the I/O, we have an HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 port. Overall, this looks to be a solid set of connectivity. To my disappointment, the TUF H670 does not come with any CMOS clear or BIOS flash button on this board. This means that if you need to perform a BIOS update or need to clear your CMOS, you will have to do it the old-fashioned way. I feel like at this price point, this should become a standard. I'd happily give up a USB port or two if it means that I would get these buttons because they are crucial. Taking a look at RAM, this motherboard uses DDR4 RAM instead of DDR5, but it does support memory overclocking. This means that you can put a high-speed DDR4 kit, which will make up for the lack of any DDR5 alternatives. The maximum speed it supports is 5,333 megatransfers per second, which is pretty much the highest speed that DDR4 RAM can achieve. The standout feature on this motherboard is its inclusion of Thunderbolt headers. It does not have any Thunderbolt ports on itself, but it gives you the option to add your own ports. Thunderbolt is a feature missing from almost all motherboards in this price range, and that means that this board is the de facto champion for anyone looking to build a highly productive workstation PC. Overall, the Asus TUF H670 is the best H670 motherboard you can get today at a reasonable price. To sum up, what I like on this board is the reasonable price, Thunderbolt support, and the excellent VRM design for the price. On the downside, there is no CMOS clear or BIOS flash buttons. Our rating for VRM design is 8 out of 10. Features, 9 out of 10. Aesthetics, 8.5 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10, for an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10.